In this video, we'll show you how to clean a washing machine with vinegar. A simple, natural, and effective way to remove odors, detergent buildup, and limescale. Regular cleaning keeps your machine fresh and running efficiently. You'll need white distilled vinegar, baking soda, optional, a microfiber cloth or sponge, and a toothbrush for scrubbing the seals and detergent drawer. Avoid using bleach or harsh chemicals unless your manufacturer specifically recommends it. Make sure the drum is completely empty before cleaning. This allows the vinegar to work effectively and reach all parts of the machine. Dip a cloth or toothbrush in vinegar and wipe around the rubber door gasket. This area often traps mold, mildew, and detergent residue. Scrub thoroughly and wipe clean. Pour 2 cups of white vinegar directly into the detergent dispenser or drum. The vinegar will help break down soap scum, limescale, and bacteria. Run the washing machine on its hottest and longest cycle. The hot water combined with vinegar will disinfect, deodorize, and remove buildup inside the drum. For extra freshness, sprinkle half a cup of baking soda directly into the drum and run a short hot cycle. This helps neutralize odors and leaves the machine extra clean. Remove the detergent drawer and rinse it under warm water. Use a toothbrush to scrub any soap residue. Wipe down the control panel, door, and exterior with a vinegar-dampened cloth. When the cycle is done, leave the door and detergent drawer open to let the machine air dry completely. This prevents moisture buildup and mold growth. Clean your washing machine with vinegar once a month to keep it smelling fresh and working efficiently. Always wipe the door seal dry after each use and avoid leaving wet laundry inside for too long. With these simple steps, your washing machine will stay clean, odor-free, and running at its best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy home cleaning tips.